The Diploma Program in Digital Marketing is a comprehensive practical program for learning all the concepts, tips, and tricks of digital marketing. This certification program prepares you to take up digital marketing opportunities in the real world. What are the intended benefits of completing the Diploma Program in Digital Marketing? Let me explain a few scenarios where the Diploma Program has helped the participants. College students and fresh graduates can complete this intensive diploma program that prepares them for future jobs by enhancing their digital marketing skills. The diploma program helps in kickstarting their digital marketing careers. Digital marketing trainers and teachers can learn the nuances of digital marketing through this comprehensive diploma program. The diploma will also make it easier for them to apply for teaching profiles in academies and institutes. Solopreneurs can implement digital marketing techniques in their ventures post the diploma program. This program empowers them to run their own digital marketing plans and activities. Aspiring women freelancers and housewives can start offering the in-demand digital marketing services to their clients, thereby increasing their average earning potential. They can supplement their family income by offering freelance services in an easy and hassle-free manner through the newly acquired digital marketing skills. The diploma program runs in batches with live sessions every week. It is a completely guided course that follows a structure to ensure that the digital marketing skills are internalized by the participants. Participants have to compulsorily complete the live Capstone project, which tests their digital marketing skills in a live environment. The Capstone project helps in creating the digital marketing portfolio for all participants. We provide Digital Dojo certification and access to the Digital Dojo job portal on successful completion of the course. All successful participants will also get a government authorized certificate. Thus, the diploma program in digital marketing is a very comprehensive and extensive program for those who want to kickstart their career in digital marketing. It is a great step forward. Come and add wings to your digital marketing career with the diploma program in digital marketing. We promise digital assurance of the acquired digital marketing skills and expertise.